let's unbox this 800-piece pipe cleaner set together. I have seen so many people making those pipe cleaner flowers, and this set is supposed to come with everything that you need to get started with crafting them. And as a perpetual hobby girl, I'm excited to try something new. So opening up the box, it comes with a tutorial on how to make one kind of flower, but it also has a QR code that says that there are 200 flower options, and this is a video link to those. Then we have some of our pipe cleaners. It looks like some floral tape, rope, beads, and I'm not exactly sure what this is, but it looks like the inside of flowers, so that's pretty cool. And maybe hot glue sticks. And we have a second bag of pipe cleaners. So this is what our pipe cleaners look like all together. There are 800 pipe cleaners in 10 different colors. And this kit really is everything that you need to get started crafting with pipe cleaners. I love that it comes with a video link to tutorials, so it is beginner friendly. I will show a snippet of what that video link looks like. And it's so cool that this just comes with so much stuff, because I can make some flower bouquets, I can make flowers for me and some to gift to friends. And because it's made of pipe cleaners, they're not going to wilt or go bad. Overall, I'm super impressed with how much stuff this comes with. This is a great starter kit for anyone who enjoys DIY projects, especially because the hardest part of starting a new craft is feeling like you have to buy all of the things. This just comes with everything that you need. So thank you so much to the brand for gifting this to me so that I could share it with you. I am super excited to get started making my flower bouquets.